Zoe from Carepatron, and in this video I will be guiding you through how to use a tooth eruption chart. What is a tooth eruption chart? A tooth eruption chart is a visual representation of the tooth development process. Dentists and orthodontists can use this resource for multiple purposes. However, its main purpose is to provide an average timeline from the first eruption of a child's tooth until the final permanent tooth eruption. Though a tooth eruption chart is standardized, on our take of a tooth eruption chart, you can expect to find the following: a diagram of a human's teeth, baby teeth and permanent teeth, with each tooth labelled accordingly, expected number of months baby teeth erupt and shed, expected number of months permanent teeth erupt. A dedicated space at the bottom for any notes, findings or observations you may have. It's important to note that your patient's teeth may not follow the timeline provided. If that's the case, you should monitor it and anticipate any issues so you may address them immediately. Once you have a copy of the template, you can use the resource however necessary. You can find this template on the Carepatron platform. It's best to write down progress notes of your patient's teeth for future dental visits. Here's a sample of our tooth eruption chart, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our tooth eruption chart, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use for your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.